Welcome students, welcome to Masters Bloomingdale Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the most trending topic of the time. That is nothing but artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and other object-oriented topics. So which is the most trending? So in this video, I will try to explain one of the basic languages which is a common thing between all these topics, that is machine learning, artificial intelligence and other topics. So common is Python language. So now let us see how to import a CSV file in Python language. So this is the first basic step in Python language. So first of all, you have to go to the file path where your CSV file is stored on your system. For example, here you can see user downloads is my path. So this is my path and this prices is the name of the file. This is the file name and this is the extension. CSV is the extension. So first you have to go to that particular location and you have to trace the path of the file. Next, you have to find the path and select it. For example, prices is the name of my file. So I went there and I selected it. So you right click on this particular file, that is the prices, and select properties. So when you select the properties, you will be getting the path like this: user downloads on my system. So simply you copy and paste it in your Jupyter notebook. So it's that simple, only simple thing you have to do. Now go to the Python Jupyter notebook. So you simply apply the Python code. So this is the Python code. First of all, you have to import a library known as pandas. This is one of the important libraries in the Python. So first of all, you have to import it and you have to rename it as PD. Understood? So next you have to make a data frame. So in this data frame, we are going to store the file. So always there is no need to type all this particular path, complete path. There is no need to type whenever you want to access the file. So simply you store it in a data frame. So the method we are using is PD, is our pandas library, and the method name is read underscore CSV. CSV stands for comma separated values. It is nothing but your Excel file only, but we are storing it in CSV format. That is the format, the delimiter is comma. It is separated by comma. So simply you have to go to the DF and click shift enter. Then you will access the file. So this is our Jupyter notebook. Now simply go to new and click on Python 3. So a file will be uploaded. It is loading. Now, so simply click on this untitled. We will change the name. So we will name it as import Python file. Okay. The first step is that you have to import the pandas library. Import pandas as PD. Next, shift enter. So you have to create a data frame. So this is our data frame. PD dot read underscore CSV brackets inverted commas. Now you simply go to the file where your file is located. So this is the file prices. So simply right click on it and you go to the properties and you go to location. So this is the location. Simply you copy this and close it. Go to your Jupyter notebook and paste it. That is Control V. So our path is pasted here. Now backslash, write the file name prices dot csv. Now here you enter R, enter df. Now you enter shift, enter. Now this is the file which is imported into Jupyter notebook. Now friends, I want to show one more thing here. For example, if I am not typing R here, what will happen? So when I execute this, run this, so you can see here I am getting a Unicode error. So if you don't want to get the Unicode error, simply you have to type R here before the path. So when you run, so the file will be open. So if you want to check whether this is our file or not, so simply what we will do, we will see the file, we will open this. So this is our file, no, prices. So you can see here. Can you see here? This is our Excel file or CSV file, and this is our file which is imported. Understood? The file will not be completely coming here, the copy will be there only here. So, but simply you are importing the file into the Jupyter notebook. So, if you want to get more videos like this on machine learning, deep learning, NLP and other coding related topics, so please subscribe to my channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you very much for watching this video.